In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an email subscription pop-up to your Blogger site using MailChimp. This is a simple way to grow your email list and keep your audience engaged with your latest posts. First, log into your Blogger account. If this is your first time, just create a new account and follow the on-screen instructions. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to back up your current theme so you don't lose anything if something goes wrong. Once you're ready, go to the Theme section and click on Edit HTML. This is where we'll add the MailChimp code for the pop-up. If you're comfortable with code, you can place the script at the bottom of your theme, but if coding feels intimidating, don't worry, we'll use an easier method too. Head over to MailChimp and create a pop-up sign-up form. Customize it to include the fields you want, like name and email, and style it to match your blog. Once your pop-up is ready, you'll get a small snippet of code to integrate with your Blogger site. To simplify the integration, you can use a tool like Make, formerly Integromat. This lets you connect Blogger and MailChimp without manually editing code. You can set triggers for when the pop-up appears, such as when a visitor lands on your homepage or clicks a specific button, and actions like adding the email to your MailChimp list automatically. After connecting everything, paste the code into your Blogger theme at the bottom of the HTML, save your changes, and publish your site. Now, when visitors come to your blog, they'll see the pop-up and you'll start collecting email subscribers efficiently. Using an email pop-up is powerful because subscribers are often more engaged than regular visitors or social media followers. With MailChimp, you can send targeted emails, segment your audience, and track performance with analytics, helping you grow your blog and connect with your readers. And that's how you add an email subscription pop-up to Blogger using MailChimp. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.